All right, we're going to be reviewing and covering the Titan PowrLiner 3500. This is a relatively new striper from Titan. We'll cover some of the features and benefits that it offers and show it to you in action as well. Some of the unique things about this pump: it's a sealed hydraulic pump. It has no pistons or packing that you have to replace and can wear. The pump comes with a lifetime warranty as a result of that. The main wear items outside of the pump itself are the inlet and outlet valves, which are easily accessible through the pump housing here, and those are your only item that you'll occasionally have to maintenance, but you don't have to repack it. You don't have to deal with any of that. And those valves are $250. Those are the main wear replacement item. They're located here. It's a diaphragm pipe type pump. So if you're familiar with diaphragm pumps, occasionally people will say that they have an inconsistent spray pattern where there's a wink. The unit, to compensate for that, puts a pulsation dampener chamber on it right here. So what you'll see when I'm spraying it in a little bit is I have a very consistent, even pattern. That helps overcome one of the only weaknesses that are sometimes an issue with the diaphragm pump design. The pump also comes with a valve here to open up the inlet and outlet valve, and what that's for is if you've left the unit sit for a little bit, that'll help it to begin pumping and priming again. Sometimes with the diaphragm pumps of old, if they were ever stuck, you'd hit on them with a hammer or something similar to get them to start moving. This would eliminate that issue if the pump has been sitting a while over time. Additionally, this is a pulsation dampener chamber, and here's where you can get to your inlet and outlet valve. This is your pressure adjustment valve. It has an easy to clean filter for your filter outlet of the fluid section. Material stays inside, but the actual filter is inside this housing, so that makes clean out of that filter very simple. If you're spraying a stationary object, the gun comes out of the holster quickly so that you can go ahead and spray a regular building or just general maintenance work. It supports up to a 27 thousandths tip at 3,300 psi. That's enough to spray the majority of materials up to light elastomerics even. So really can do about any spraying from striping up from there. Honda engine on the unit as well. So as you know, Honda tends to have very famous, reliable small engines. It's a 120cc engine. You'll see as I operate it that it won't be chugging the engine significantly when I'm operating at full pressure, so you can kind of see what the unit will look like under full load. The handles are adjustable on the unit to bring it up or down, closer to you or further from you. And then the tires are also a little wider than on some competitors' stripers. So the wide tires can make it easier for you if you're maneuvering over a field or over some area to get to a paint job in the field that you want to use your striper for. And in general, just resist any kind of puncturing or wear and tear pretty well. The tire in the front's obviously adjustable, which is standard for an airless. The unit is $3,960 delivered to your door, a lifetime pump warranty. And so we'll go ahead and show it to you spraying here so you can get a feel for it. When I am spraying it, it will be at full pressure and you'll hear the engine running under that load. All right, so we'll go ahead and start the unit. It has your throttle here, gas on and off, and then a kill switch for when you're in action as well. Starts up easily. We have a pressure adjust knob over here on the front, and I'm at full pressure, so you can adjust your pressure here, and this is a dump valve to prime the fluid section. As I mentioned, you'll see I'll have good consistent spray, and I won't be dealing with any pulsation. So you can see I have a good wide pattern, consistent streak. You can obviously adjust the gun angle and position here, and overall it's just a very versatile striper. So I'll do one more line here. So you can see even striping, consistent spray, no worry on pump maintenance. Inlet and outlet valves are a lot quicker and easier to change compared to pistons and packings. And so that's a little overview of the Titan PowrLiner 3500. If you have questions or comments on the unit, leave them in the section below, and thank you for watching.